Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science for Class 12 boards. Start by listing all chapters and mark weightage for theory and programming. Set weekly targets and break topics into daily tasks you can finish in focused 45 to 60-minute sessions. Mix coding practice with quick theory reviews and use past papers to track progress and timing under exam conditions. Start each study block with a clear objective and use a timer to keep focus for set intervals. Explain concepts aloud as if teaching someone else to deepen understanding and memory. Rotate between reading theory, writing code by hand, and solving past questions to balance skills. Regularly review mistakes and build a checklist of common errors to avoid during the exam. Focus on building small programs that illustrate each core concept and run them mentally if you cannot execute code. Keep a personal snippet library of templates for sorting, searching, and basic data structures to reuse in exams. When debugging, trace values line by line and test edge cases so your solutions handle all inputs reliably and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.